Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix OBS stretched resolution. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Now, there are actually two ways to fix this stretched resolution issue, so I'll walk you through both methods to ensure you get the perfect display setup. Let's start with the first method. In the upper left corner of your screen, click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings to access OBS's configuration panel where you can adjust all your video parameters. Once the settings window opens, you'll see a left sidebar with multiple categories. Click on Video. This section controls all your display and resolution settings, which is exactly what we need to fix the stretching issue. Now, look for Base Canvas Resolution. This setting determines the overall canvas size that OBS uses to capture and display content. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select your monitor's resolution from the list. Since my monitor is 1080p, I'll select 1920 x 1080. This ensures OBS matches your actual screen dimensions. Right below that, you'll see Output Scaled Resolution. This setting controls how your final output will be scaled and displayed. Click the drop-down menu right beside it, and once again select your monitor's resolution. Since my monitor is 1080p, I'll select 1920 x 1080. Matching both of these resolutions is crucial for preventing any stretching or distortion. Now, in the bottom right corner of the settings window, click Apply to save your changes. Then click OK to close the settings window and return to the main OBS interface. Your overall canvas should now be properly configured. However, if only your game or display capture looks stretched while everything else appears normal, there's a second method you can use. In the bottom left area of your screen, navigate to Sources. This is where all your capture sources are listed. Right-click on any source you want to fix. A context menu will appear. Hover your mouse over Transform, which will open a submenu with various transformation options. From this submenu, select Fit to Screen. This will automatically adjust that specific source to fill your canvas properly without any stretching. And there you have it. Your OBS resolution should now be fixed and displaying correctly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.